Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how we can do internet speed settings in our phone Vivo V21e 5G. First of all, go to the settings of our phone here and go to display and brightness. Now go to status bar and turn on this button, display real-time network speed. Okay, so network speed will be shown here, internet speed will be shown here. See here, I access internet, just I open Google Chrome and I open fast.com. Okay, network speed, that is internet speed, is showing here. So in this way you can easily do the internet speed settings in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.